y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video. I am Mommy J and this is Faith's Funhouse and Mommy Vlogs. If you're new, hit that like button and join us and subscribe. Today I am in a collaboration with INK&IVY, guys. If you guys never heard of INK&IVY, they are a luxury company that sells home decors, furniture, comforter sets, and more. So today I am putting together a Linux lift top coffee table. Can you believe I'm doing this by myself? I can't even believe it, y'all. But it's really simple. All I needed was just one screwdriver, okay? Can you believe just one screwdriver to put this all together? And Faith wanted to join me as well and put this all together, guys. So let's get into it, y'all. So first, I had to get all the parts together and make sure I had everything spaced out in the living room. So that's what we're pretty much doing right now. We're just screwing in the parts one by one, making sure everything is even. And once I got the first part in, I did go by the instructions manual. They have like an assembly manual, the instructions, which was very friendly. And I'm so super proud of myself, y'all, because y'all know, if y'all been watching me, I hate putting things together. Y'all know that, right? All right, so I finally put the table all together. Right now, I'm just cleaning up all this paper, all this cardboard, all this foam paper everywhere, so I can just bring the table out so y'all can see how well I did on this coffee table, okay? I'm just sweeping up all this little stuff off the floor, and I'm going to bring it out, y'all. I'm going to let y'all see the final touches. So this is what I love about this. It has all of the space in the little storage area, so you can put like magazines. You can even put the house remote controls in there for the TVs. I mean, it's real spacious inside. Don't let the size fool you now. I always say that. You can put your little laptops and all that stuff in there. And this is the final touches, y'all. What y'all think? Ain't it cute? If you love stuff like this, link in the comments below and grab yours today. You're gonna love it, honey. So let me get into the next surprises in this little thing here, honey. I love that it also has this lift top, so just in case you want to do some homework or some research on your laptop, you can work right there, and it just has the height for you. You can adjust this, which is really cool. So that's another part that I love about this Linux lift top coffee table. It has so many nice advantages with it, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. If you're interested in this, grab yours today. Click on the link and you're gonna love it, because so far I'm just loving it, y'all. Until next time, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Shout out to INK&IVY for this collaboration and sponsorship. I appreciate the support, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think about this product. I give it a 10 out of a 10. I love it. Bye.